Number 1 Cat 猫猫猫 Repeat after me 猫 Good. Number 2 Dog 犬犬 Repeat after me 犬 Good. Number 3 Kitten 子猫子猫 Repeat after me 子猫 Good. Number 4 Puppy 子犬Repeat after me 子犬 Good. Number 5 Rabbit うさぎRepeat after me うさぎ Good. Number 6 Tiger トラRepeat after me トラ Good. Number 7 Pig 豚Repeat after me 豚 Good. Number 8 Monkey 猿 Repeat after me 猿 Good. Great. Now we learn 8 animals. Let's check how many do you remember. Question number 1. What's this in Japanese? 猫 Question number 2. What's this in Japanese? 犬 Question number 3. What's this in Japanese? 豚 Great! Let's move on to next animal. Number 9 Sheep 羊Repeat after me 羊 Good. Number 10 Goat ヤギ Repeat after me ヤギ Good. Number 11 Horse 馬 Repeat after me 馬 Good. Number 12 Deer 鹿 Repeat after me 鹿 Good. Number 13 Cow 牛 Repeat after me 牛 Good. Number 14 Wolf 狼 Repeat after me 狼 Good. Number 15 Lion ライオン Repeat after me ライオン Good. Number 16 Hedgehog ハリネズミ ハリネズミ Repeat after me ハリネズミ Good. Wow, now we learned 16 animals. Let's check how many do you remember. Question number 1. What's this in Japanese? Uma. Question number 2. What's this in Japanese? Hitsuji. Question number 3. What's this in Japanese? Harinezumi. Great! Let's move on to next animal. Number 17. Elephant. Zou. 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 Repeat after me. Zou. Good. Number 18. Giraffe. Kirin. 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 Repeat after me. Kirin. Good. Number 18. Zebra. Shimauma. 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 Repeat after me. Shimauma. Good. Number 20. Wild boar. Inoshishi. 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 Repeat after me. Inoshishi. Good. Number 21. Squirrel. Risu. 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 Repeat after me. Risu. Good. Number 22. Bear. Kuma. 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 Repeat after me. Kuma. Good. Number 23. Animal. 動物。動物。動物。Repeat after me. 動物。Well done! Now we learned 23 animal names. Let's check how many do you remember. Question number 1. What's this in Japanese? Kirin. Question number 2. What's this in Japanese? Zou. Question number 3. What's this in Japanese? Kuma. Question number 4. What's this in Japanese? Inoshishi. Question number 5. What's this in Japanese? Koneko. Question number 6. What's this in Japanese? Koinu. Question number 7. What's this in Japanese? Okami. Farm animal in Japanese. Cow. 牛。牛。牛。Calf. 子牛。子牛。子牛。Pig. 豚。豚。豚。Piglet. 子豚。子豚。子豚。Chicken. 鶏。鶏。鶏。 chick ひよこひよこひよこ duck アヒルアヒルアヒル horse 馬馬馬 foal 子馬子馬子馬 sheep 羊羊羊 lamb 子羊子羊子羊 Great! Let's do a quiz. Number 1. How do you say cow in Japanese? Ushi. Number 2. How do you say pig in Japanese? Buta. Number 3. How do you say chicken in Japanese? Niwatori. Number 4. How do you say horse in Japanese? Uma. Number 5. How do you say sheep in Japanese? Hitsuji. Great! Let's move on to the next one. Goat. Yagi. 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 Dog. 犬犬犬 Puppy 子犬子犬子犬 Cat 猫猫猫 Kitten 子猫子猫子猫 Feed 餌餌餌 Water 水水水 Barn 納屋納屋納屋 Farm 農場農場農場 Great! Let's do a quiz. Number 1. How do you say goat in Japanese? Yagi. Number 2. How do you say dog in Japanese? Inu. Number 3. How do you say cat in Japanese? Neko. Number 4. How do you say feed in Japanese? Esa. Number 5. How do you say farm in Japanese? Nojo. Great! Review. Cow 牛 calf 子牛 pig 豚 piglet 小豚 chicken 鶏 chick ひよこ duck アヒル horse 馬 foal 子馬 sheep 羊 lamb 子羊 goat ヤギ dog 犬 puppy 子犬 cat 猫 kitten 子猫 feed 餌 water 水 burn 納屋 farm 農場 Great! Okay, let's do a final quiz. Number 1. How do you say chicken in Japanese? Niwatori. Number 2. How do you say horse in Japanese? 馬 Number 3. How do you say lamb in Japanese? 子羊 Number 5. How do you say goat in Japanese? ヤギ Number 6. How do you say dog in Japanese? 犬 Number 7. How do you say kitten in Japanese? 子猫 Great! Thank you for watching. ご視聴ありがとうございます。If you'd like our video, please subscribe and smash the bell. See you next video. またね